Mr. Speaker, as the minority whip, deputy minority whip, Mr. Speaker, I want to confirm here that indeed, even for us as the leadership of a minority, we are having serious challenges whipping members of Jubilee in this particular house because they have decided publicly, Mr. Speaker, we as a coalition have never disowned anyone. They themselves have said they do not want to associate with us. We are unable to whip these members. So, Mr. Speaker, I have expressed this concern even, I'm on a point of order. I have expressed this concern even at the SPC, Mr. Speaker, and it is on record that if I am unable to whip you and you are being whipped from other places, we call a PG as the minority coalition, you don't show up, you show up at the PG of the majority coalition at State House. How do you then come and claim rights in this house which you have decided that you no longer belong? Mr. Speaker, we in the minority side have made it very clear that it is better for us to count ourselves and find ourselves we are only 10, but we are committed people who will be faithful to the oath of office we took, faithful to the political parties under which we were elected, faithful to the coalitions under which we were elected, rather than have people who only see the coalition when there are goodies to be dished out. Please, it is not fair, Mr. Speaker, that you can disparage a house, you pee in the house from outside, but when food is served, then you come and say, oh, I'm also a child of this house. Mr. Speaker, we will not allow it. For us, as the leadership of the coalition, we accept the divorce with which we were served. We were told we are no longer desirable as a coalition. We accept it. So please, move on. Please, stop disturbing us. Go to the house which you prefer, because the right of association is based on free will. It's consensual. You cannot be forced to be somewhere you don't belong. Mr. Speaker, this matter of the impeachment of the governor anywhere is such a delicate matter that as the leadership of the coalition, we will only second